To make a smart check, you will have to use the smart camera. And this is a piece of technology that will make a photo automatically when conditions for the automatic assessment are perfect. And this is built into the SkinVision application. So you just aim the camera at the skin spot, and the dot in the center will turn green. And when conditions are perfect, it will take the photo automatically, which you will notice because the ring turns blue. And these photos we can assess for signs of skin cancer. Because the smart camera clearly needs to see the skin spot, it's very important that no hair or fluids are covering the skin spot and that the camera can focus on it. And it's also very important that the lighting is good. So think of lighting in an office or the comfort of your own home. These are spots where you can make a good photo. Also make sure that there's enough contrast between the skin spot and the skin itself.
My name's Stacey Everson. I'm 30 years old. I have two boys, 11 and 13. A friend of mine told me about this app that I'd seen on Facebook. I didn't really understand how it worked, but I downloaded it anyway and took a photo of the mole that my family was worried about. It came back saying that I needed to go and see a doctor and that it was urgent, and so I did a couple of days later. The doctor took the mole out right then and there, and then a week later he called me back to tell me that it had been tested and it came back positive for early stages of melanoma. It would have been really easy to not do anything about the mole. I like to think that I look after myself, but something like that I wouldn't have thought would have been melanoma. Being a mother of two boys, it really freaked me out. You know, just thinking about if I did get melanoma and it went to a different level, what would happen to them? I just feel so blessed. Like, I actually can't believe that I was so lucky. I've made a lot of my friends download SkinVision because it saved my life. It's just a really good tool to keep an eye on your moles, really, and it's good to be able to look back and see if the mole's changed. And I've been able to do the boys and my family and things like that. It's so cheesy, but just don't think it's going to happen to you until it does.